Right. So everything there from the tying point at the bleed in between the XV, yeah, everything there applies to or we've got multiple nodes, but it's the same on every bullet, isn't it? Yeah. So we have a double block and bleed from that bleed on every bullet that then ties into this common header that goes to flare.
And I think the thing here that is that when we are doing this operation, we would first drain to another bullet. So there are multiple things which have to go a bit in sequence. So there's a possibility that something could go wrong on the other side because you are dealing with two bullets at the same time, in as much as we're only looking at this. Yeah.
Sylvester, I want to say something here. As we started our discussion saying that the purging or depressurization is a very rare activity. Say, for example, we want to depressurize tank 1001, we have just planned. So do you mean when we plan to depressurize 1001, before that, some tank or some bullet line is already going to the flare? I don't think so. I don't think so. That means when you are planning tank 1001 and at the same time other bullet 1002, 1003 or 1010 valves are in line with flare line. So see, I'm not able to see the scenario what we are trying to say here. And if we are saying there is a possibility of reverse flow or misdirected flow, in that case, I would propose to make or install check valve to all individual bullet line which is coming to the main header.
Actually, the what is about the basis for it? Even the company also saying that only one bullet at a one time we are going to depressurize. There is not a multiple bullet are going to be the depressurized at the same time.
Yes.
So that is a main basis for this one. And this also operation is very infrequent operation for that. So on that basis, if we consider that one bullet is going for the depressurization, definitely other 9 bullets are not going for the depressurization at the same time.
Yeah, this is the philosophy.
Yeah, that is the main our SOP, what we can say, company SOP, philosophy, basis of a depressurization of any time.
So before that,
Mr. Solution also, you're not going to take any 2 times at the same time.
Yeah. So this is my understanding. So that is why I wanted to rule out that misdirected is not credible scenario.
Can you just scroll up the P&ID just a little bit? That's the way to get out of this. Just scroll up.
So for this scenario to come into, there would need to be 1, 2, 3 valves opened inadvertently on a bullet that is not